friends, welcome back to my channel Nanna Chef. Today I am going to tell you how to make kids and elders favorite snack, French fries. So let's begin. So the ingredients that we need to make French fries are potatoes, chaat masala, red mirchi powder, salt, chili sauce and some mayonnaise. I have taken 4 potatoes. Now I am going to peel them. Make sure while peeling it, there is some adult near you so that you don't hurt yourself. Now till then we are going to put some water in the pan. And heat it. Now we are going to cut the potatoes. We have to cut fingers. Now we've cut the potatoes and the water is boiling. We'll add some salt to the water and put the potato fingers in the water. Now we are going to close it with the lid and wait for 5 minutes. So our fries have been blanched for 5 minutes. Now we are going to take off the lid and put a kitchen towel on the plate. Now we are going to remove it from the pan. The kitchen towel absorbs the extra water from the potatoes. So now we are going to put the oil in the pan. Now we are going to turn on the gas and let the oil heat. Now the oil is heated up and we are going to put the French fries in the oil. Now we are going to make the spice mix. For that we will put the chaat masala, red mirchi powder, salt, and mix it. Now we'll remove the french fries and put it in a plate on the table. Now the french fries are ready and we are going to put it in a paper bag. We are going to sprinkle the seasoning that we just made on it.
Start.
Now we are going to shake it. So now our fries are ready. We'll start making the dip. For that, we'll mix the chili sauce with the mayonnaise. And mix it well. Now we'll put this dip in a bowl. Now for the plating, we'll put the dip and a little bit of ketchup, and we'll put the french fries. For garnishing, we have sprinkled some fresh herbs.
Start.
Now I'm going to taste it. It's awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nanna Chef. Also like, share.